Yo, what's up, everybody? Okay, cool. Mike, too loud, probably. Good. Okay. Man. Okay, so this isn't much of like a video. This is more like talking about. Let me rephrase that. This isn't more of like a educational video. More. I know last one was kind of like, hey guys, the plan for leadership growth. Here's Proverbs and Romans. No troll on that part, but seriously, I needed to talk about that. I needed something to just really get off my chest. Please leave a comment. I don't know wherever you feel about that video. Just let me know. I don't care. Because I know I talked about in the last video about making, because I tried affiliate marketing. Well, try, I mean more of like I stopped on like I was doing legendary marketer for affiliate marketing, and I only went up to like little bit, and I stopped. Um, I really didn't see the vision in it. I know the benefits were, yes, financially freedom. If you really stuck to it, yes, you can do it. I just didn't see the vision yet because of my current situation, meaning more of like my environment. I had a lot of a negative environment, negative minded people surrounded with me, so it was hard to see a vision when your perception of life is very negative. That makes sense. Like I wasn't negative, but my perception of everybody around me was negative. So it's hard to build upon something. But when you're surrounded with a lot of like-minded people, successful people, depending on entrepreneurship or not, careers, whatever they're at, like they're gonna encourage you to do great things in your life. So if like affiliate marketing was there at the time when I was surrounded with like people I am now, I would, heck yeah, bro, let's jump on it, let's take this risk, let's go do it. It's like, yeah. My first thing I want to talk about was like making a digital marketing account. Uh, which would kind of be like affiliate marketing I'm thinking about, because if I make a digital marketing account, 100% of the profits mine, 100% of the 100% of the stuff is mine with what I make. That's just the thing though. Is like the dream of it is great. What's the dream? Well, I can live my life. I can buy my house. I can get married. I can have my kids. I can, help communities out, help churches, help nonprofit organizations. Like I have that dream to help people. I want to serve people. So I don't want to look at it from the standpoint of money, because if I keep on looking at the money aspect, then I'm not really gonna get there. I'd rather focus on my craft. I'd rather focus on me doing a good job at writing content, me doing a good job at leading people, because I believe the benefit of money will come. Right, you'll reap with what you sow. So if I sow into people leadership, if I sow into great people, if I sow all this knowledge into content creation and helping these people, I believe that the money will come. The reality of it is, yes, digital marketing, or let's say I should have put affiliate marketing instead, but affiliate marketing, if I did that, then I think it would have, because I'm helping businesses and I'm getting a small percentage. Because if I guide people to a certain product or business, I'm getting a percentage off of that. I find that more suitable than me doing a digital marketing. I don't know. I don't want to cheat people on price. I'm going to be honest with you. I want to make an honest, ethical business model to where I'm not cheating you guys out where it serves you guys. That's just the reality of it. Is like I have little to no knowledge. At least I have Russell Brunson's books. I don't know if they're right here or somewhere outside, but marketing one. I have two of them: the green book and the red book. Three of them for affiliate marketing. I have three. Russell Brunson, I have his books. I don't remember. I don't remember that, but I have little to no knowledge of marketing. So still looking at the marketing aspects. Also, to show a testimony. Um, yes, I'm financially successful, but that kind of leads on to my next part of: is it worth it to make courses and charge people? The value added. Does it add value to really people when they buy courses? Personally, me in my life, I have never really been the kind of guy to really sit down and like look at a course like like I back then when I wasn't disciplined, when I wasn't really, I didn't take myself serious. I would kind of just flow away. My attention span is off. But you really look at this standpoint, I think it benefits you, the person that made the course and is teaching something, because yes, you're getting money for it. But how often are you going to get someone sit down on that course and take that course serious? I think you can kind of compare it to having a book. Like if you buy that book, yes, you read it and then you apply it. But if you look at a course standpoint, is someone really going to buy a course? But have I built a relationship with that person to actually utilize that course? Does that make sense? Because I think if you want someone to be more effective, I think you want to build a relationship with them. So that's why I said in my other videos, I said, go to Christ. I can guide you to Christ, and He can help you in your life, because Christ knows all, and He has a better understanding of who you are. I only know so much as to what I've experienced in my life up to this point, so teach you and educate you on that. So all for what? Well, okay, maybe I'm selling a course on how to build a computer. I know to build a computer, but anyone can just go on YouTube and watch the video. I'm trying to monetize it and make money off of it. It's already free. and you look at some of the topics as, you know, charging someone on how to do a specific task or something, you're just trying to monetize and make money off of it when the knowledge is out there. It's like, why am I, like, I get it. The Bible is God's word. Like, you're gonna buy this book for like 10, $8, however much this is. I don't know. My friend gave me this. You're buying it because of everything that was, the cover, right? You're buying the cover. You're buying the book. I can't talk right now. You're buying the cover. You're buying the book. You're not buying his word. His word is free. His word is there. So that's my point. You guys, if you guys are affiliate marketers, you guys entrepreneurs, please send your advice, your, like, whatever you respect and what you see. And then to the benefit me and not them, like, it's gonna benefit me financially. Money does enhance your character. I've learned that money enhances your character. When you have money, it enhances your character because what? You have more money, you can go to a better gym. You can buy more products, supplements. You can take care of your skin. You can buy the right foods, actual expensive organic fresh produce, which shouldn't be much, but hey, higher class, wealthy person. But yes, money does enhance your character. Great. But it's benefiting me. How is it going to benefit them if they're buying a course, if they actually apply themselves? Biggest thing about this is I don't want to follow culture and make it transactional. Heavily in today's society is very transactional. Hey, you want to learn this? Pay me $2,000. Bam. I want to learn this? $5,000. I'm rich. But how does that benefit me? First of all, I may be teaching about camera content creation, whatever it may be. I'm just using an example, guys. I may be teaching about it, but what example I'm setting if I'm not physically fit, if I'm not mentally, you know, equipped with the knowledge? It, to me, guys, I don't want to disobey God's laws. I don't want to go against man's laws. I don't want to like go into the culture route of transactional. Like, I love that I can just pull up this camera and I can edit and I can upload this on YouTube. I can really do that. Through sponsorships, I think I feel more comfortable with a product-based business than a SaaS or SaaS, software as a service. Well, SaaS is more like, you know, YouTube and Netflix and Disney Plus, but also like software service as a course, like software as a service. Like, if I make this course, if I'm ever gonna charge someone, I probably wouldn't make it like hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't know where I'm at in the future. Maybe it's a different mindset. Maybe the way I am now, maybe I'm cynical. Maybe I'm closed-minded to these opportunities. So I'd rather have like something that's like 5, 10, 15, $20 most. So if I have something that's like, if I have a course that's $20 and it has like an ebook attached to it that has a couple videos to teach you in-depth detail on how to accomplish this or do this, awesome. But then if you just buy the book yourself, guys, and read it, you'll get there. I think you need someone to tell you how to do it than just kind of doing it yourself. That is a way I can monetize, and I do see some benefit in that. But that's just kind of where I'm at with this, guys. Like, I look at the making a digital marketing account, and I look at this, and I'm like, you know, affiliate marketing. If I'm an affiliate marketer, okay, I think affiliate marketer, in my opinion, is great because you're helping promote, like Nike. You're an affiliate for Nike. You're an affiliate for this company. Great. Like, these companies need to get their products out there. I'd rather guide people through products than me having to do a course. Like, I don't know, guys. I'm still learning that. Making a course, again, I don't want to follow this transactional route where, you know, hey, if you want to speak to me, let me like, dude, did Jesus go around talking to people and saying, hey, give me $25 and I'll give you my father. I'll let my father speak to you. So yeah, guys, that's just kind of where I'm at this point. Still learning, still growing, and trying to expand my ideas out there. So trying to build this thing up. So catch y'all later. Be safe. Make sure to subscribe, comment below, and like this video.